Hello, I am in bed. This is my sleeping cap. No, I have not joined a weird religious sect. I just wear it at night because my hair gets squirrely. And Abby's a little nervous, as you can tell. She's a little nervous. We're in our first big windstorm since coming back to South Dakota. These things used to rock my world the last winter I was here. The gusts are so severe that my little metal dog fence, is starting to blow away. So I have to, I disassembled it from the trailer and pointed it towards the wind so that even though it's completely just wiring, that it doesn't blow away, believe it or not. And I have my motorcycle pointed towards where the wind is coming from because my motorcycle tipped 3 times the last year that I had it here in windstorms. And I just learned to, when I put my motorcycle cover over it, I have to ratchet strap it down so that it's taut with no sagginess or loose material, because it'll act like a kite and just blow the motorcycle over. So some of my neighbors aren't faring as well. I had to go outside real quick, and some people have their awning out and their yard, everything that was in their yard is just a kite. It's gone. It's probably in some field somewhere next to a buffalo. So it's nice to have a little knowledge coming into it, because the first year out here was challenging. At least I know the tricks of the trade now. But we're a rocking and a bobbing tonight. I have stabilizers on my trailer, that these legs that push down to support it and take the wiggle out. Then I have 2 axles, so 4 big truck tires that also help to stabilize it. And then I have a skirting that's pinned down with, I think, 60 or 50 almost foot long or 9-inch nail, oddly enough, spikes down in the ground, and still we are bobbing back and forth. They usually don't last too long, knock on wood. We'll see. But yeah, me and the girls are in the camper. I had to shut all the windows. I have a rubber seal, really good rubber seal on all my windows, so I lock them shut. And then I turn the swamp cooler, or not swamp cooler, it's a air conditioner / heat pump. I turn that on just air, and that's filtered, so I'm getting fresh air in the camper while this is going on, because it's kicking up a lot of dust. And we'll just wait it out. And yes, I think I'll do story time while I'm sitting here. So so here's the story I was thinking of in the middle of the night. It's probably like 2 a.m. I was thinking about how alcoholics are oftentimes the hardest patients on the hospital floor to work with. Oddly enough, it wouldn't be the really sick people. Those are challenging but fun, helping them get better. It's the alcoholics. They're really needy, and besides needing their medicine to keep them safe, usually they're kind of healthy. Compared to a pickled liver, they're kind of healthy. And so oftentimes alcoholics will get, multiple DUIs. And so I had a patient come in, and I've heard many patients say things that were somewhat similar. And I knew that he I don't know why I knew, but he'd had multiple DUIs, and so he didn't have a license anymore. So we asked him, when you get, and this is a normal question, when you get out of the hospital, do you have transportation to get home? And he's like, oh yeah, I brought my bicycle. I'm an avid cyclist. I'm like, yes, you are. Yes, you are an avid cyclist. So, I just thought that was funny. Good night.